Hi, it's Jenny here. Our new offer type volume discount was just released last week. With this new feature, you can create wholesale discount offer with multiple tiers, like buy more, save more offer, or quantity breaks offers for large order. The setup for this offer is also very simple and straightforward, with only a few clicks to configure the campaign as you want, from choosing the products for volume discount to setting up the tiers of discount. You can also combine this offer with Shopify native discounts like all other offers by our app. And styling options and offer runtime are also easily scheduled and planned ahead. On the storefront, customers can easily view all the tiers info. Once they choose an offer, they can also select the variant of product item before adding it to cart for checkout. And that's how you can use our volume discount to set up a quantity breaks offer or a wholesale discount on your store. Free install our app and try it for your store now.